Welcome to Educare 247 friends. Today we are happy to declare that we are launching our flagship IFT 2020 course, the most comprehensive and result oriented course designed by the experts. So, IFT is the most ignored examination, but as you approach your CAT and you're done with your CAT, within a week you'll have your IFT. Guys, IFT is one of the most premier B school, a tier 1 B school in the country, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. And just to give you a glimpse of how good this institute is, education wise, it is best. There's no debate about that. But this year, in 2020, the highest package that went out of IFT was 75 lakhs, which is colossal, alright, which is very huge. So let us discuss what all this IFT 2020 course has in for you. So first of all, you should go to Educare 247's website. Then in the courses column, you'll find this IFT 2020 comprehensive course. And trust me guys, when I say comprehensive, it is actually comprehensive. I'll show you all the contents in the upcoming slides. Let us see the description in this slide. Alright. So this is a comprehensive course for IFT 2020. Includes quantitative aptitude basic, advanced, verbal ability and reading comprehension, DILR, general awareness with current affairs, mock test and topic wise practice test will be provided. Alright. And Educare 247's team will help aspirants throughout their whole journey from preparation to selection. Alright. Silent features of this course: 300 plus hours of video, basic to advanced, topic wise practice questions which are easy, moderate and advanced level with explanations. 5000 plus questions will be covered, chapter wise summary sheet so that you can revise whenever you are like giving a mock test or you are appearing for your main examination. Just before going that, you cannot see all the videos, right? So we have curated this special chapter wise summary sheet for you guys. Daily reading targets, one-to-one live mentorship sessions, strategy sessions and profile building and GDPI support, which is very important for IFT. So the one-stop solution for IFT, the course content. Alright, you can see over here quantitative aptitude basic, advanced, VARC, DILR, alright, logical reasoning practice session, logical reasoning basics, word list video lectures, data interpretation practice session, GDPI module, static awareness, static general awareness, which is very important with respect to IFT, and current affairs. I'll show you with this drop down menu what is included exactly in this static general awareness and current affairs. So we have a dedicated team of experts who work time to time on this static general awareness and the current affairs according to the trends of IFT. So have a look at this: books and authors, sectors of economy, types of economy, country, capital, currency, idea of national income, that is GDP, NDP, GNP and all that stuff, national parks, inflations, money and banking, Reserve Bank of India, and this is more. You can just scroll down and explore these things. So these are the topics on which IFT usually tests you. So we have curated this specially with respect to IFT. Next is the current affairs. So economy news, finance news, social news, alright, social issues in news, all will be there. You can drop down from here and look at the special contents that are there. As I've already mentioned, guys, this course is preparation to selection and we believe in utmost quality. Alright, and I'm not bragging about this. When I say we are going to deliver you quality, we are actually going to deliver you quality in 3,999, which is a very fair and affordable price for all the students who want to start now and crack IFT. As I've already told you, IFT is one of the most premier institution if you want to pursue your MBA. Alright, so I request you guys to visit this website, explore the course and join us as soon as possible so that you are right into the direction of IFT all the way. Thank you and happy learning guys.